reality is have to ask ourselves the why factor, because we don't, at the end of the day, we come to work every single day. We're spending, on average, 8 hours of our lives at work. Now think about that. So the people around you are actually influencing your existence. So I'm saying to you, let's find happiness and joy in the smallest or the greatest things that makes us satisfied. Because what I really want for you and for us is to have that reciprocity. So as you guys know, or ladies know, I was a film actress many years ago, and I loved it. I thought I loved it, but I was always feeling empty. Because yes, they put the makeup on your face and all these wonderful things, but I was acting to be somebody else. Okay? So I've been in training for many years since, and the reason I do what I do is this moment right here, right now with you, ladies. This is the moment of joy for me. And this is what drives me to continually do what I do. Is the reciprocity. Is learning from you and being able to teach and share information and have this experience and perform whilst I'm learning and using my brain. Now, it doesn't mean that my job is, every single part of my job is 100% enjoyable. I have to do reports, I have to build content, I have to do emails, make phone calls. There are also areas of the job that are tiring and exhausting, but it's this moment. Does that make sense?
You feel more influenced.
Say that again?
You feel like in this way, in this job, you are more influenced.
Exactly. I'm influencing. Thank you, Habibti. Shukran jazilan. So what you said earlier on, Muna, is you want to add value to your company. That is your driving force, to add value. I'm influencing, and I'm impressed that you've interpreted and used that word, because that's exactly what gives me that sense of self-satisfaction. Okay, is to be able to influence, persuade, and receive. So I want you to leave this workshop today and really think about what drives me, because Bukra is another day, Bukra is another day. Alham, Rada, Amna, you're going to clash, you're going to be, I don't want to do this, I've got a headache, I've got problems, I've got mishkila, but I want to add value to my company. But I want to influence and persuade. So at the end of the day, Habibtis, what is your why factor? Velesh